Pride Mobility is proud to reintroduce the all-new Wrangler scooter. Your outdoor adventure waits with a sleek new rugged design and built-to-last scooter. The Wrangler comes in 2 colors, stone gray and desert sand. The Wrangler will be shipped in 4 separate boxes: the Wrangler seat, and the batteries. The best way to open and remove the Wrangler from its box is to cut both the front and the rear of the box and collapse all sides. Pride recommends that you have 2 people to remove the Wrangler from the box. Once removed, 1 person can assemble the unit. Before assembling, make sure you have all of the parts to assemble the Wrangler, the seat and headrest, 2 batteries, the battery charger, the seat arms and arm pads, the owner's manual, the mirror. Start by removing the yellow screws that hold the rear shroud in place. Then remove the battery cover shroud by removing the black screws. Be careful when lifting the battery shroud over the seat post so you do not damage the circuit breaker while lifting and replacing. Next, you'll need to connect the batteries to the unit. Please use the instructions provided on how to strap the batteries down. You need to strap down the batteries width and length, then connect the positive and negative terminals. Turn the key to the on position to make sure you have power to the unit. After testing for power, replace the battery shroud and rear shroud. Remember to be careful not to damage the circuit breaker when attaching the battery shroud. Attach the seat to the seat post along with the headrest. Then attach the seat armrests. It is best if you leave 3/4 of an inch space when lowering the arm pad. Attach the mirror and adjust to your liking. Now your Wrangler is set up and ready to go. Now let's go over the features and benefits of the Wrangler. Adjusting the tiller has never been easier. Simply pull the lever and adjust to your comfort level. The Wrangler comes equipped with a regenerative braking system along with dual hydraulic disc brakes for added safety. It also has a parking brake to lock the Wrangler. Simply use the locking lever on the brake. The Wrangler comes with a Delta Wraparound tiller which allows for easy use of the throttle and steering. With the Delta Wraparound tiller, you can also add accessories such as a cell phone holder and rear view mirror. When the Wrangler is turned on, the user-friendly display will light up. You will see multiple buttons on the Wrangler's console. You will have a switch to turn on the front and rear lights. You will also have turn signals, a horn button which will notify others for your safety, and there is also a hazard button which will activate flashers both on the front and back of the scooter. The Wrangler speed control is displayed with a rabbit and tortoise button. Simply hold down the tortoise button to slow the speed of the scooter, or press the rabbit button to set the scooter to a faster speed up to 11 miles per hour. The mode button allows you to see other features on the display, such as temperature readings, odometer readings, and a trip meter. This will allow you to monitor your range per charge, which is about 18.6 miles. The Wrangler also comes equipped with a backup sensor, first in the industry, with reverse lights. The sensor will alert you when you get too close to an object while going in reverse. There's also a storage compartment at the bottom of the tiller. The Wrangler has an onboard charging port located on the tiller. The fuse panel is located underneath the charging port. You will also find a USB charging port for small devices such as tablets and cell phones. On the battery box, there is a circuit breaker with reset button. The Wrangler seat is designed with a slider that will allow you to move the seat forward and backwards for your comfort. Simply use the lever underneath the seat. You can also adjust the height of the armrest by turning the knob to raise or lower them. The armrests are also width adjustable by pulling out the pin and turning the adjustment knob. To adjust the angle of the armrest, simply loosen the nut and turn the bolt to the desired setting, and then tighten the nut back into the lock position. To adjust the lumbar support, simply turn the knob on the seat to extend the lumbar. The seat is designed to fold flat and also comes equipped with a recline. For easy transfers, you can swivel the seat to either side. The seat comes with a pillow top on the seat and seat back for added comfort. The Wrangler has 14.5-inch tubeless pneumatic tires on the front and back to go through almost any terrain. The CTS Comfortrak Suspension, front and rear, allows for a more comfortable ride when off-road. Dual motors provide exceptional traction if one wheel should happen to raise off the ground. A front basket can be added as an accessory to the tiller by simply removing the plastic covers. Rugged and built to last, the Wrangler is everything you want in an outdoor scooter. Equipped with front and rear suspension, this aggressive scooter is designed for cruising on walking trails or driving around your property. The Wrangler is the perfect way to embrace life in the great outdoors. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.